Hi there, my name is Chester Collier, Vice President of Sales for Walter Tecnologias. In this video, I'd like to show you how to get the most common finishes in stainless steel, with a full range of products from Walter Tecnologias. Now, rather than just show you a bunch of products, we'd like to take you through the process step by step, allowing you to get the desired finish every time, all the time. Now, in this episode, we want to take a look at one of the most common types of finishes in stainless steel, the number 4 brushed sanitary finish. This is typically used on flat surfaces, types of industry that we'd see this in, food equipment manufacturers, ornamental iron, architectural places, any places where they need a very nice finish. Now, the number 4 brushed sanitary finish is designed for the food industry because the microscopic scratches that are left there are too small to allow any dirt or any bacteria to contaminate the food process. Now, in order to make sure that we get these finishes the same all the time, the industry has come up with something called a roughness average, or an RA. And what this does, this measures the depth of the scratch that we put into the finish. Now, this depth is measured in micro inches, which is a millionth of an inch. In order to get a number 4 brushed sanitary finish, it's important that the RA is always in that 30 to 40 micro inches. If we stay with that, we know that we're meeting the guidelines for a number 4 brushed sanitary finish all the time. Now, today we're going to show you a foolproof method on how to make sure that you get a number 4 brushed sanitary finish every single time. Now, here are the products that you're going to need to get. You're going to need a Big Buff 3, a circular finishing tool. You're going to need the Quick Step flap disc, 120 grit, and a Quick Step pad. You're also going to need Blendex surface conditioning discs, medium grit. You'll need a LineMate 3 linear finishing tool, and finally you'll need a 2-in-1 drum. All right, now let's get going. Step 1. Let's take the Quick Step on the Big Buff, dial it in at 7,000 RPM, and shave the weld down till there's only a hair left. Now make sure you minimize the scratches on either side of the weld. Step 2. Now let's take the Blendex disc and dial it down to 5,000 RPM. Now smooth out the entire surface, but make sure the scratches are going in the direction of the grain. Now let's take the LineMate tool with the 2-in-1 drum and dial it down to 1200 RPM. Next, using a medium speed, draw the drum backwards towards you to maintain even pressure and control to get the desired finish. As an option, if you'd like your piece to look like it has a perfectly mitered corner, take a piece of stainless tape and apply it, and that way you preserve the scratch pattern in both directions. Now, if you followed these steps closely, what you have in front of you is your workpiece with a perfect number 4 brushed sanitary finish ready to be used in production. Thank you for your attention today, and we're confident that by using this video, you'll be able to get your number 4 brushed sanitary finish on flat surfaces easily and consistently every single time. In our next video, we're going to take a look at how we can achieve the same finish, but this time on curved surfaces. Stay tuned, don't go away.